Get in the habit of facing uncomfortable situations. Getting into the habit of facing and even looking for uncomfortable situations is key to developing a charismatic personality. It will force you to expand your comfort zone, and as a result, it will help you create new opportunities. It will help you grow your self-confidence dramatically by progressively making uncomfortable situations comfortable for you. But there's more. Getting used to constantly going out of your comfort zone is great for your testosterone. Getting used to taking action in the face of fear will cause your testosterone levels to rise. On the other hand, the guy who never does anything uncomfortable becomes soft. I don't know about you, but there are times when I don't go out a lot, when I just prefer to stay at home to work, read, or watch interesting documentaries. When I've been in this mode for a while and a friend invites me to do something that makes me feel a bit uncomfortable out of laziness or social anxiety, for instance, I make an effort and accept his invitation, even if I feel lazy at the moment. And afterwards, I don't regret it. I feel better and have more energy and confidence. Simply because I made the effort to confront an uncomfortable situation. I made the effort to go out of my comfort zone. Going out of your comfort zone goes hand in hand with ongoing improvement. Take action on a day-to-day basis in order to expand your comfort zone. Always seek to push yourself beyond your limits at least slightly. Always seek to do better. Don't let yourself become a worm and do nothing with your life. 8. Take initiatives. In your opinion, why are most leaders charismatic? Precisely because they are leaders. They take the initiative, they give direction, and they make us move in this direction. They have an energy that attracts us and make us want to follow them. Getting into the habit of taking the initiative, whether it is in your personal projects or social life, will help you increase your charisma. Getting used to taking things in hand will greatly help you develop your leadership skills. 9. Be in peak physical form. Having high energy helps you become more charismatic. When you're all logy and tired, it's not easy to motivate yourself to take the initiative and go out of your comfort zone. So you'd better be in peak form. Get enough sleep. 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night on average. It depends on the individual. Eat properly. Eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, ideally organic, since they are more nutrient-rich and healthy, and avoid processed foods like the plague. Work out. This will allow you to raise your energy levels and be in better shape. These are the 3 pillars of a great energy level that will allow you to do what it takes when the occasion arises.